Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, and welcome to another Mindful Monday episode. And happy birthday if today's your birthday. Oh, it is a gloomy day here in Santa Monica. It honestly has been sort of gloomy all week. May Gray is definitely here, but that's okay. Connor had the great idea of starting our day by grabbing a coffee and then just heading down to the beach and sitting there and, listening to the waves for a minute. And I thought that it was the perfect way to start this episode. So I want you guys to grab your coffee too, or, just a nice drink, a glass of wine, maybe if it's in the evening for you guys, and just come along on this little adventure with us. Thank you, babe. Not enough hands.
A little better choose, right?
It's an awfully gray morning out here.
It really is.
But it's nice watching the surfers. There's a lot out there because the waves are pretty crazy today.
It's very relaxing.
So relaxing. What'd you get to drink?
I got just a black regular coffee. What did you get?
I got a chai. My first chai from Groundworks. It's pretty good though.
And it's great to come down here. Usually just meditate, listen to the waves a little bit.
Yep.
Sometimes listen to music, sometimes just listen to the waves.
It's awesome. We love that we get to do this.
That noise.
So good. Lunchtime now, so we're gonna figure out something for that. I'm thinking just like a veggie rice bowl because I've sort of been craving that this week a lot again. So we're just gonna follow that craving. And then we are going to start on cleaning my apartment because my parents are coming to town and this apartment is not parent ready. But first, let's get some food in us. Lunch is served. Let's have a bite. So we're about to enter the cleaning portion of this video now, and I just want to warn you guys, our place is pretty gross right now. I'm going to show you, before and after so that you get a vibe, but yeah, it was a crazy week last week, so we just pretty much trashed the place, and so there is a lot of work to be done here, but we're gonna start off in the kitchen and see how this goes. Okay, current state of the kitchen. We mostly just have like a lot of dishes in the sink. We have to empty the dishwasher, which is why stuff hadn't been going in there, so okay. Relax, dishwasher. It's always singing to us. I want to obviously wipe down the counters, clean the stove top. There's a little bit of food back there, but the kitchen isn't too bad, all things considered. Okay, kitchen other than the floors is done. Got the countertops clean, the sink clean, the stovetop clean, everything's clean. Cleaned this whole oven. So feeling good about that, and it's time to move on to the next. Okay, next up, I'm gonna work on the office here a little bit. Obviously this room isn't set up, but I just wanna put like some of this random stuff away, some of my clothes and stuff like that. Just get it slightly more organized. And voila, much better in here, cleaned up all the clothes and stuff, and this is good enough for just this extra room. Okay, I think I'm just gonna knock out this bathroom next because it doesn't really need much. I'm just gonna wipe down the tub, obviously clean the toilet, wipe down all of this, the mirrors, put everything away that needs to be put away, but this will just be a quick little room, I think. It is so hard to film in this bathroom because there's just nowhere good for my camera to go. I can't just stick it somewhere. Let's see if we can make a little makeshift thing right now. And voila, we have a nice clean bathroom. Love it. We are making some good progress here. Let's do a time check. 6:29 p.m., which means it's only about an hour until I need to leave to pick up my parents. So we're doing pretty well so far, you guys. Next up on our cleaning adventure, we got the bedroom here. This is really just like tidying up, like putting random stuff away. It should be a pretty easy one. And then the last thing we have is this bathroom. And then of course the floors. So we gotta get a move on. Okay, bedroom, looking good. Connor's gonna work on the last bathroom. Thanks, babe. And we are almost there. Thank goodness, I hate cleaning. It's the worst. Only main thing left to do is just to take care of the floors, so I'm gonna work on that now. Our clean is officially complete, you guys. This place is looking so good. Woo! Check it out. Not so bad. Some baseball playing in here from Connor cleaning. But it looks pretty nice. I'm pretty pleased with this. Hope you guys enjoyed that little deep cleaning. It feels so good. The place looks so fresh. I'm very excited for my parents to get here. There's gonna be lots of fun vlogs with my parents coming up. So since it's Monday, really quickly, I just wanted to ask you guys, what is your goal for the week? Comment it down below. It's actually Thursday for me, so I don't even know what my goal for the week is. I think it's gonna be to front load the first half of my week so that I can have a more chill second half of the week, because that's pretty much always my goal. And also get back into working out because this past week has just been a total flush for that. So gotta start prioritizing that again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Love you, and I will see you in my next video.